What is going on, fish folk? This is Hollis P. Wood. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of From the Shore. Just grab a muskie or two, and we've had a sighting. I was throwing a few casts right before they got here, and we had a sighting of one, and Drew had a sighting of another under the bridge, but haven't hooked into anything yet. Who grabbed this one?
Dennis just got him.
We gonna pull the board out?
Nah. He ain't big enough for the board. He's not board worthy. He's not board worthy.
He's a little feisty one though.
Dennis is the man. He's got to be 40 inches, ain't he?
He's maybe 34, 6.
Put a quick little case on. Let me say 38.
Hang on one second. Hang on one second before you throw them in. Okay, what happened to my scale? There you go, Dennis.
36.
So, right about there.
He's just 336 in the dot.
Hey, Smelly. Oh yeah. Let's get a shot of them teeth. Dennis, let me get a shot of them teeth. Look at that, baby.
Little gompers.
Little gompies. So as long as Dennis doesn't land on his... Good job. Get this guy back in the water. He's trying to get some strength back. Tell the folks at home what you caught him on, Dennis.
Kind of my little bass buzz bait.
Nice. What'd you pay, $1.99 for that?
Walmart.
Walmart? Was that a kid's pole?
Little Zebco 202.
And that's your recommended,
Beginner's luck.
that's your recommended pole for muskie hunting? Ugly stick. There he goes. Nice catch, buddy.
Thank you.
For real, what'd you catch him on?
That was the swim dog.
The swim dog? Let's take a look at it. That hook is absolutely mangled. Look at this, peoples. Look at this hook. Look at that thing. That's the power of even a 36-inch muskie.
Yeah.
Look at that power.
Nice.
All right, I didn't see an official tap, but it would appear that Dennis is tapping Drew in. All right, Dennis is the man. He's got another one on.
How big is he, Dennis? Same fish? Strong, eh? Drew's grabbing the net.
That was a vicious.
I'm stuck on something.
There he is. Well, he bumped it. And unfortunately, he paid the price. These guys are trying to get this fish without damaging him. He's hooked in the side there.
Nice pop down there.
Somebody grab a plier and get this out so it doesn't fucking up.
Son, he is healthy. And quite a bit bigger than the other one.
Just get that hook out. He ain't gonna like when you do that. Just
Yeah. Lay it flat, dude.
okay. Okay.
We're gonna have to break the board out on this one, huh?
Yeah, we can. Still working. He's not that big.
Listen. Look how happy he is. He is just filled with joy.
What's your guess here, Dennis?
Dennis has been over here for about 2 minutes now, reviving this big boy. Look at him. His gills are moving a little there, Dennis. Those all of his battle wounds on top? All that red?
Looks like it.
And he'll be all right. So Dennis with 2 muskies on the board. Well, officially, only one went on that board. The guy that owns the board wouldn't let the smaller one go on. So we're down there with Drew Muskie and Dennis, the man of the hour. This is Hollis P. Wood. You're watching From the Shore. We appreciate you tuning in.